Step on your brake again. That's kind of cool. Sometimes it's the simple things.
Beautiful.
Okay, we're ready. Coming up behind us. That would be
Oh, yeah, that did it.
Yeah, that's learning about braking.
I just wish I'd had the camera going a little quicker. Busy day on Pyeatt Draw today. Got a group coming in behind us. We're gonna let them go by.
Grab my
Dude!
Dude, I gotta grab my, hey, it's gonna feel a little weird tank top. Hey!
Right over here.
Yeah, you got one there too! Alright!
Well, you know.
What's it say on the front?
Oh, the right line, of course.
The right line?
Come on now.
There
I
we
know you just
go.
want to see my sexy
man.
body, but come
I
on.
wonder if I can like fuzz that part out.
Don't let him fool you, he likes it.
Yeah, it likes it, yeah, right.
Just
Or hold
watch-
on
just
a
watch the
second.
Shaft
Hold on a
video.
second, hold on a second.
Stop. Done. It's good to see so we know. I think it's toward the rear and
Yeah, you're touching the back of the fender well, you're touching the body. There you go.
all right, here we go. That was beautiful.
Nice. Back driver.
What?
Back driver a little bit. That's it. Looking good. There we go. Keep coming. Hey Mike, I was gonna say that's gonna feel a little weird.
Oh, want me to do it again?
Nah, you're good there. There you go.
Let's make sure. Action.
Come on, my dear.
Beautiful. Now, if you had 37s, it would have cleared it right away. I gotta be a smart aleck. Sorry. Easy. Beautiful. Beautiful.
I get my stinger in the back.
Oh, I know you're talking Chewy or me, but I figured Chewy.
I was talking to Joseph.
Oh,
And you and Chewy, all three. How about that?
it works for me.
Yeah, but what my question is to you, I know you're talking about 37s and I should have 37s, but think of it this way. I'm doing this whole trail in 30 on 35s and I'm doing pretty good.
Plus Rubicon. Oh,
Plus the Rubicon. Plus the Rubicon. You're doing this on 37s and it's kind of like, I don't know, man.
You're right.
I'm kind of showing you up.
You're right.
Come on up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. There we go. There we go. Keep that line. Back. Gotta keep turning. You're gonna run right off the obstacle. Looking good. Good, keep going. Keep going. Oh, I think you're just gonna miss my camera. Good. That's it. Perfect. Looks good. Nicely done.
Never done this before.
Oh, nice. Piece of cake. You want to try to do it on your own or you want a spot?
No, I'll take a spot.
Okay. Beautiful. Yeah, you didn't need my spot. Damn, you made that look easy.
It's not done yet.
GMG fabrication. I'm looking at your underbits. I hope you don't mind. That's it. Now, there you go. What's going on, Joe?
Not much.
You're a good videographer.
Thank you.
Turn the tire right here. Want to take over? Because you know the...
You're doing great so far. You got it great so far.
Nice and easy. Bumper.
How if I go more passenger?
Yeah.
I think if he turns passenger right now, he's probably got it.
Okay. Yeah, go passenger.
Alright, he got it.
You got it.
I think if we give you just a little forward pressure with your winch, alright, it'll make it a bit easier. What you gotta know about winching like this is that when you pull the winch, you're gonna put downward pressure on the front end, adding more traction. So if you're heavy on it, you snap the U-joint because we've loaded it. So we'll let the winch give a little bit of work to pull you up, and then you just let it out first, low range, and let it crawl.
Let it walk itself.
Yep.
Not a problem.
Okay. Whoop. Try it again.
Passenger?
You're good right there. Just hold the wheel. All right, that's enough with the winch because we don't want to pull down too much. Go ahead. Now go ahead, take it in. Now driver. All right. And if you want to try to bump it, go ahead. Just don't get crazy with the bump.
It's behind my. Can you move my? Can you hit the lever to move this part move forward and I can get it? It's stuck.
Okay, hold on.
Sorry. I am. Take your hand in there, push this thing.
I need it. Yeah, you got it.
I didn't know if you wanted to. Oh, I'm controlling it, huh? That's right.
You're controlling it. Unless you want me to.
No. Don't hurry. Don't fall.
Good. Now winch. There you go. There you go. Turn passenger. Good.
Get up. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Damn it. Yeah, there we go. Come on up. Yeah. That looks good. There you go. I think we got it now. Come on forward. A little more passenger. That looks it. That's it. Now hard. Whoa! Driver. Oh, son of a gun. You were about to do that without a winch. Hell yes! Oh, hell yes! Hard. Passenger. There you go. There you go.
A girl,
Four-door Rubicon?
no, two-door, but a girl traded in. She never willed it. No scratches, 2013.
Eating a brownie.
Very delicious. To try the brownie.
Can't put that on your page.
Why not? You making love to that brownie, Mike? Do not give that dog a brownie.
No, get off Mike. You're getting me sweat. There's a piece right here, you don't even see it, and he goes to the floor and fell on the floor. Yeah, go, baby! Yeah! There you go! That's the ticket! Yeah, baby! My hero! Yeah, baby! Look at that, one try after the stack up. I like it. The boy knows how to drive.
You listen to yourself.
I'm just excited as what comes out of my mouth as you are, because I never think before I say
You didn't think that one through.
Yeah, man, you did awesome after all that rock stacking.
Oh, that's what you just said.
I didn't mean it in a bad way.
You're an a-hole.
That's not what I meant.
Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. This is one of our favorite trails up here in Payson, Pyeatt Draw. We're headed back to camp now. We're going to think about having dinner here shortly and wind down the whole rest of the day. Make sure that you check out my affiliate links down below. You're going to find some really cool stuff on Amazon there. And also, I want to make sure to thank Midland Radio. Midland Radio has actually sponsored the communications for my adventures on the trail. Midland Radio, check them out. And there is a Midland Radio discount code down below if you're interested in any of that stuff. As always, like, comment, share. And if you have any questions about anything, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.